How to clean your room in less than 30 minutes. Bedrooms can get messy incredibly quickly as they're the base for so many things: getting ready, relaxing, sleeping, and sometimes even eating. So knowing how to clean your room fast is essential if you want to maintain a peaceful, functional space. At the end of a long day, it can be hard to find the energy and time to clean, so you wouldn't be alone if your sleeping space is currently feeling anything but serene. However, the good news is that a mere 30-minute clean can make a huge impact. We chatted to cleaning and decluttering professionals who shared the tasks you should prioritize if you just have half an hour or less to spare. Welcome to Best Choices. Things you'll need: dusting spray, vacuum and mop or broom, rag, Windex, MP3, iPod or other musical device, hamper, trash bag. How to clean your room in less than 30 minutes. Number 1. Turn on some music. This is optional, but if you find yourself bored easily, it may help. Just make sure you don't get distracted. Number 2. Take away any distractions. This is also optional, but it helps. A way to do this is to take something circular, like a hula hoop. Put everything you can't touch in. The hoop will be a reminder that you are not supposed to touch these things. Try not to touch your phone, but if you are using music, you might want to keep it out of the hoop. Number 3. Clear up the clutter. The best place to start when you're looking to achieve a clean bedroom is to get rid of anything that doesn't belong in that room. That might be dirty mugs or cups, toys from kids' rooms, or beauty bits that normally live in your bathroom. Amelia suggested a trick that should help if you're feeling overwhelmed by the amount of stuff you have to clear away. It may be helpful to grab a basket or a bin and use it as a catch-all. Pick up wayward pieces of clothing, personal care items, reading materials, any items that don't belong in the bedroom. Place them in the bin and set the bin aside so that items can be rehoused later. Why might this be helpful? When you're trying to move through a space quickly, you'll want to start with the task that makes the biggest impact. That's why I suggest using a catch-all basket to gather what doesn't belong. This will create early success and build motivation, as well as help you to avoid cleaning around items of clutter. Number 4. Throw away any trash. After this, it's time to pick up any items that are destined for the trash, be it packaging from recently delivered items, food packets, or disposable bottles. In the spirit of getting the job done in less than 30 minutes, simply grab a new trash bag and throw all of your garbage into it, before placing it in a different room to deal with, or fill up, later. After only 5 or 10 minutes, you should now be left with a tidy space, with only items that belong in your bedroom to sort out. Number 5. Make your bed. The biggest impact on a bedroom is often the bed. If you can do nothing else with the time that you have, make the bed. Laura Price advised. While we'd love to spend time making our bedroom feel like a luxury hotel, this doesn't need to take long. With the final 5 minutes of your cleaning, Laura suggests, clear everything off of your bed, straighten the covers and fluff the pillows, for an instant uplift. Even better, if you have time to spare, why not switch out your pillow covers for a lovely fresh feel? Top tip: choosing white covers is a great way to make your bedroom look expensive on a budget. Number 6. Put all of the dirty clothes into the hamper. Now that your clothing items are sorted, you'll know which ones need to be added to the laundry hamper to be dealt with at a later date, and which clean clothes can be hung back up in wardrobes or folded back up in drawers. While organizing a small closet or a large closet is a task that you can tackle at a later date, putting all your clothes away in the relevant space is an essential part of achieving a clean room fast. Number 7. Fold your clothes and put them in your dresser. Do this neatly so that when you need them, you don't have to look everywhere. Number 8. Take everything and put them on your bed. Pick up the first thing that catches your eye and put it on your bed, repeating until you're finished. Number 9. Clean your windows if you have them. You can do this with any type of window cleaner, such as Windex. It's surprising how much fresher this can make a room feel. Number 10. Tackle the pile on your bed. If anything in that pile is broken, throw it away. If there are scraps of food, throw it away. If there is any stuff you don't want but is still valuable, give it to charity or a brother or sister. Number 11. Vacuum or mop your floors. The above has likely taken you around 15-20 minutes. For the next 10 minutes or so, all you'll need to do is tackle your floors and your bed for a clean bedroom. First, address the floors. Laura Mountford explains that, "I find that doing this makes a huge difference, as it creates a feeling of space, and also forces me to move items that still should not be on the floor. There's no need to suddenly learn how to deep clean carpet, or how best to clean hard floors, though. Whatever flooring you have, all you need to do for this 30-minute speed clean is to give it a quick vacuum, maneuver swiftly around furniture and don't bother with skirting boards or walls. If you have hard floors, follow this with a quick mop around the space." Number 12. Check under your bed. Most likely, you'll find long-lost toys, disgusting food, and probably things that you didn't even know existed. Sort through these as you did with the previous things. Number 13. Open a window. Finally, freshen up your space even further by opening all windows in the bedroom, as long as it isn't freezing outside. The crisp air will help to clear out any remaining dust and dirt, and will give your bed sheets a lovely clean scent, making it even more satisfying to crawl into bed come night time. This is one of our recommended daily habits to keep your home feeling fresh and clean generally. And there you have it, how to clean your room fast without breaking too much of a sweat. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips to keep the bedroom clean longer. 1. Remove clutter as soon as you see it. Clutter usually builds up when items do not have a place to be stored. Make sure all your items have a home. If it doesn't, make space for it, discard it, or donate it. 2. Dust or sweep daily. 5 minutes with a pass of a broom or duster will stop dust and debris from accumulating. 3. Keep drawers, closet doors, and hamper tops closed. 4. Wipe down smudges and fingerprints on windows, mirrors, doorknobs, and high-touch surfaces. Tips. 1. Listening to music is a great way to make things go faster. It will be motivating. 2. If you relax during the process, you will be clean in no time. 3. Try doing some of this daily, so your room is clean throughout the day. Warnings. 1. If you are a child, check with your parent or guardian on what to throw out. They might not want you throwing away a specific item. 2. If you find something moldy, get a napkin and throw it out. It might be unhealthy. 3. Try doing this when your brother or sister isn't there. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.